Hello, welcome back to the Canvas Whisper. Have you ever looked at a sunset and felt that it was speaking to you? A moment where the sky becomes a canvas of emotions, fiery red, calm blues, and hope filled with yellow of a new tomorrow. Today, we will capture that feeling with all oil pastels, creating a silhouette painting that tells the story of peace, growth, and togetherness. So, let's begin. Let's begin with the magic of colors. Start at the top with bright colors like blue, then indigo, deep blue, and blend them with purple and orange, and then into red. Let the colors melt into each other into the bottom. The secret here is to blend gently with your fingers or tissue so that one shade flows into the next, just like daymills in the night. As you blend, think of it as blending emotions too: happiness, love, struggles, and dreams, all merging into the journey of life. The sky looks beautiful and alive with the contrasting colors. It's time to add the contrast. Take a black pastel and carefully sketch tree trunks reaching upward. Let the branches spread freely as if they are chasing the sky. Add tiny leaves, some curving vines, and notice how they stand out bold against the glowing sunset. These trees represent us, rooted in our past but always reaching for the light, no matter how dark the night around us. Add few birds resting on the branches, a simple curve for the body, a small brick, and tiny wings folded. These birds bring life to the painting and symbolize freedom, companionship, and the beauty of small moments. Just like these birds, we all need a place to rest, to pause, and to belong. This painting reminds us in chaos there is always a space for peace. If this artwork made you feel something, even for a moment, please let me know in the comments. Art is not only about colors, it's about emotions we hide in them. And every time you create, you are painting a piece of your story of your own. So, till then, keep creating and bye.